Hi there, first and second graders, and welcome to our fourth virtual assembly. Today, I'm somewhere a little bit different, and we're going to do something a little bit different for our assembly too. Well, we already talked about how to organize our schedules. We already talked about how to help out at home. And we already talked about Rio contra o Corona, the Escola Eleva project that helps people out during the times of pandemic. But today, we're going to talk about Earth Day. Do you know what Earth Day is? Well, Earth Day is a day in which the whole world stops to celebrate our planet. And this year is the 50th birthday of 50th. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. It's the 50th birthday of Earth Day. Earth Day is always celebrated on the 22nd of April. So it's coming up next week. And to celebrate Earth Day, I decided to do a project and to think about three things. 1, 2, 3. 3 things I can do to help planet Earth. Okay, so I'm going to show you a little bit of what I use to make my project, and I'm also going to give you some options. So here it is. This is what I made for my Earth Day project. And what I hung down here are my three promises to planet Earth. And this is how I made this project. First, I got a plate, a plastic plate, and I got some pieces of paper. Then I put my plate on the paper and I got a pencil. And I made a circle. Then I looked at an image of planet Earth and I started drawing everything in. I drew and I used green for land and I used blue for water. So I used green for land and blue for water. And I drew my planet Earth. Then I got a pink. You can choose any color. I like pink, so I chose pink. I got a pink pencil and I drew 3 hearts. Then I got scissors and I cut everything out. Then I made my planet Earth with my promises. Do you want to check out my promises? My first promise is to reduce. And I'm going to say, when somebody says, Tati, do you want a straw to drink something? And I say, no thanks. Tati, do you want a plastic bag? And I say, no thanks. I don't need these things. So I say no thanks. So that's reducing. My second promise is to save water. So when I go take my bath, I turn my water on and then I put shampoo on my head. I turn the water off and then I shampoo my head. And then when I'm done shampooing my head, I turn the water on again and take the shampoo off. When I brush my teeth, I do the same thing. I put toothpaste on my toothbrush. I turn the water on, turn the water off, and then I brush my teeth. And then when I'm done, I turn the water on again, and then I turn the water off. And my third promise to planet Earth is turn off the lights like this. When I leave a room, I turn off the lights. This year, in the 50th birthday of Earth Day, we are celebrating and protesting against climate change. Climate change is when the earth gets too hot and then all sorts of things starts happening to our planet. Now, with the pandemic, some really cool things are happening. For example, I know that there were dolphins swimming in Cabo Frio, which hadn't showed up for many, many years, in Miami as well. I know that from India, if you look up, you can see the Himalaya mountains. So, because we are at home, planet Earth is really having time to heal and to get better. So, I want to see your project and your 3 promises to our planet Earth to celebrate Earth Day on April 22nd. I hope you liked this assembly and see you again next week.